It's the season 1 final showdown for Team Crusader. Question everything, trust nothing. Welcome to Trading Wars.
It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader, here for another episode of Trading Wars. Crusader, it is your team's last opportunity. Last week was a little rough. I know we gave the team a handicap, but how are we feeling about this week?
Bro, I got no sweat running down my back. I am 100% confident in my team that they've got it nothing but the green today.
All right, well, let me take a quick second just to thank our sponsors. Market Cypher, we have a 20% off code for Market Cypher. Check that out. That is down below the video. ZoomX, thank you for providing the liquidity, and thank you for being the platform that all of the traders are trading on. Obviously, they are not specifically sponsored by ZoomX, but they're sponsoring the show, so thank you to ZoomX. And then Houdini Swap, the leading compliant privacy platform for sending, swapping, and bridging cross-chain. Not just another coin mixer. So check out Houdini Swap. We've got a link for that as well. Real briefly, the rules, $2 billion market cap. We're not doing anything wild today. Chat. I'm going to actually pin into the chat here in just a second our link for ZoomX if you guys want to compete. Season 2 is getting ready to start right over next week. We got a bunch of new traders. We're going to do the draft at the end of this week. Super excited about that. You guys can trade 24/7. That gives you a nice little handicap. And I think somebody in the chat's going to win $1,000. So excited about that. All right, Crusader, why don't you bring up your little peons you got backstage?
Let's get it. First up, Evan Aldo. What's going on, man?
What is going on? Excited.
Savage, bro. I want to see. I want to see how many trades you get into today. Up next, we got Jayson Casper in the house. What's going on, man?
Yo, I'm excited to 100x my full account right now. See what happens.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it.
Up next, Gareth Soloway in the house. What's up? You're on mute.
All right. I was saying I was ready to go, but let be silent and let my trading do all the talking.
Let's get it, man. I'm excited. And finally, but not least, Magic Internet Money. What's going on, man?
I see you left me and Gareth, the two boomers, for last. We usually have the mic issues. So.
Well, we actually left the best for last from Team Keeper, coming back from after having a little bit of a little misstep on Thursday. So he's here to make up for it today. CryptoFace. What up, Face?
Good afternoon. How you guys doing?
Glad you're here, brother. Man. Let's have some fun.
And we got CVO coming too. He's just going to be joining us later.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. CVO will be here in just a few minutes. So, what do you think, Crusader? We got, so it's 2:54. We've went over the rules. We've talked about, obviously, all the sponsors. Gentlemen, it's the last day. Any difference in strategy that we're looking at doing today? So, obviously, kind of, we haven't showed you the standings recently. I will tell you, I think it's actually pretty close. So, are we going to go after a little bit different strategy?
In your dreams, maybe, but I don't
know. Last week, handicapped. It really did. And my team did well last week after the handicap. So, I think it might be close. We got to check it out. We're going to go back and look.
You did all right. We didn't do that good. We at least I did okay. I think I had the best trade.
Well, how'd you do okay? You slept through the damn show.
Oh, you're right. Never mind. Never mind.
Ben actually got a really good trade last week, right?
Yeah, Ben has the largest win and largest loss in a single trade. So not surprising to me because he likes to do it all or nothing. But
it was like $100. Yeah. What is that? Like $100 he made in one trade?
No, it was more than that. It was 150, I think.
It was 15, I thought I watched it.
What, after fees? You said it was what?
Yeah, 110 or 115.
115? Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it was a nice trade. It was 150x. Actually, Lifer was the one that called it, and Ben said, "All right, I'm on. I'm doing it," and followed after it. Lifer said on Twitter he ran a clinic on trading.
All right, guys, we obviously can't let Ben have the biggest winning trade here. So let's break.
Oh, yes, we can.
Let's break that right now.
Jason, you were talking about before the show, just going ham on the trades today. Is that actually what you're about to do?
Yeah, I mean, why not? It's the last day of the show. Go big or go home.
I like it.
That's what I like to hear. That's what I'm saying. There's no way that Ben can walk away with the most profit in one trade. I have 100% utter confidence in my team that can break that record.
Okay, we'll find out. Evan, you got a new background going on, bro. Did you get yourself moved?
Yeah, I did move. You know, moving's tough. You know, it's kind of like deadlifting 600 pounds with bad form, but you know, you got through it. I got through it. So
Find out who your real friends are when you move. You know what I mean? Or did you have to do it all by yourself?
Yeah. What was that?
I said, or did you have to do it all by yourself?
I hired a few people to help me, but I mean, even when you do, you know, I hired people to help me move the big stuff, but even the small stuff, it adds up, and you got to place everything. You know, it's a whole. You know, it took me, oh man, from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. one day. It was pretty much, man, a lot of moving.
Let me jump into the.
We got almost 200 people. Well, actually, we have over 200 people here. Smash those likes. Let's get to 100 likes here. And since it's the last day for season 1 in Team Crusader here trading, are we going to keep them to 3 or are we just going to let them ride? Just let them go.
Yeah, we can let them go. We can let them go. I'll jump into the chat. You guys can
start. All right, guys. There you guys have it. Start trading. Start finding some trades. Break that Ben record.
Let me jump into the chat and say hi while you guys are taking a peek. We got Bully Barry in the house. Says, come on, Debate Crypto, let's go. We got things to do today. We apologize. Yeah, we were a couple minutes late. Come on, cut us some slack. J Boy Bullish in the house. Aaron G. Who else we got? I'm going to say this wrong probably, but Brigitte, not really sure. Shane Stein, Green Day Profits, Candle Daddy, Crypto Coons, Richard Wright, Clay the Great. Thank you guys all for being here. You could be anywhere, but you're hanging out with your boys over here, watching Crusaders team plummet on the final day of trading. It could be interesting. Markets have been moving though. I mean, we've had a little bit of action over the weekend. Actually, pop past 35 and then drop back down. What's
kind of a low vol? It's kind of like a weird time right now. I feel like I'm seeing a lot of kind of like sideways. It kind of like the price is kind of just like went up and now they're kind of still kind of tough to see, or I'm gonna have to copy somebody.
We have some alts that have been pumping, bro. You've seen that, obviously. We've seen a number of alts pumping. Magic, I think you guys called the XRP move, and that happened. That played out, right, Magic?
Yeah, nice little 69-cent move there. Everyone's favorite. So you got to be on top of that one.
That's right. All right, so who's going to be the first in the house today?
It's probably going to be me. I'm about to do something here.
Evan the Trigger Man.
Yeah,
always ready to pull the trigger.
Yeah, all right. So we took a small, started with, if you want to look at my screen, took a small ETH long right here, and I'll show you, you know, exactly what I'm looking for. I put about 10K in it, and I'm looking for this kind of jump off of this area right here. Got a little trigger wave on the 32nd. I also like the 30-minute trigger wave, which looks really good. I mean, for the next hour, I don't know how much this will help us, but I do think this is a good shot to potentially what I'm hoping for. A little bit risky because we're rejecting from the golden pocket here, but I'm hoping for another test of the golden pocket. And this is another technique too that I like, which if you look at this little trigger wave here, it's blank for a while. This was what we call kind of a bullish desert, and you get the little cactus in the bullish desert. Hopefully that brings this up a little bit. If this doesn't work out, what I'm also looking at now is potentially, you know, especially if we see Solana kind of reject from this point, potentially trying to short Solana and making some of that money back if we do reject here. What I like on Solana as well, though, everything looks freaking bullish on the macro. I mean, bull div on the daily, on the hourly there. A lot of things look freaking good on the macro. It's kind of a shame because there was a nice setup on Bitcoin that already hit our target. We were seeing this kind of reverse head and shoulders here. And now the thing here is we already kind of hit our target. And now hopefully we'll retest this area. And ETH, I think, is a good, we're doing good. We're coming up. So hopefully I could close out right at like 1904 there. But yeah, I think we should be able to get there and have a nice little win in the real short term.
So about a 10K trade on Ethereum, looking for any particular price targets in general. You said 1904?
1904, yeah, 1904 I think is pretty good. We're at 1902 right now, so if we can come up another $2, I think that's a good shot here.
What kind of leverage is on that?
I put so let's see, I did it quickly, 17x leverage, 10 to 20x I think is, you know, a good amount for this. We're, you know, I mean, it's kind of relative, you know, it depends on how much of your account you're putting in. I mean, putting in 1% of your account on 100x leverage is the same thing as putting in your entire account in on 1x leverage. So it's very relative.
Yeah.
I entered a trade.
What you got, Face?
Let me share my screen. All right. So I shorted. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shorted Link. Looked like it was kind of topping out right here. And as we speak, looks like we're doing all right. I'm in a little 9 thou wow. And it's going pretty good. I should take some profits or so. That's $30 right there, you know.
That's right.
Let's see, pull up that trade, scroll down a little bit.
Whoa.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah,
so
we're up about $40
baby.
already.
And
I like it.
let's go, baby. Let us go. I'm looking to take it home. We're looking to take it home.
Take it home, brother. What made you look at Link?
I was just going through. I mean, this is probably like the 5th coin that I went through, and everything's kind of looking the same. I don't know if you can see the screen I just pulled up.
No, we're just seeing your Zoom right now. I mean, Link's been one of those that's been moving up and down a lot lately, so definitely makes a good.
Now he's got it, I think, Crusader.
There you
go. Okay, so we're on the 10-minute just right here. You know, the momentum wave looks like it might be kind of pinching off. It's not confirmed yet there. Same with the 5-minute. So I'm kind of just looking for this thing to kind of come back down from the top. Looks like we're just kind of in like a basic little channel. You know, if all is square in the world. God, man, an hour is so short. You know, maybe I can squeeze a good 1.5% move here. Let's go, baby. Keep going. Let's go.
Team Keeper coming out swinging today, boy. I like it. I like it. What's everybody else looking at?
Anyone else looking at anything, or just still browsing?
I was looking at a trade on Matic, but it didn't quite get there. Now starting to come out. It was a short trade, but again, didn't quite hit my trigger.
No problem, no problem. I mean, the market's been definitely in a interesting state. Bitcoin kind of moved a bit over 35,000 finally this last weekend. A lot of people talking about, that was being some of the big resistance that we need to get above. Now that we're sitting above 35,000, maybe we start testing some higher levels here, and we're actually seeing a little mini altcoin season. A lot of alts have been running out of nowhere. XRP moved.
I wanted to get on Pepe, but I don't think it meets our market cap requirements. I think it's like halfway there, but Pepe's been kicking butt for sure.
I think Face is secretly one of the Pepe creators.
Yeah, I wouldn't even be here. I'd be so rich. I would talk shit to all you guys and not care.
Wait a minute, you do that anyway. So what's the difference here?
Nothing.
So anyone outside right now, outside of the show right now, looking for a trade? Any altcoins you guys are surprised that it's had a nice little run lately? Anything interesting happening in your portfolios? Everyone's intensively working to trade.
It doesn't qualify, but I in my own account and on my own time, I shorted some INJ up here. There's a lot of these that are getting a little
Injective.
Long. Yeah,
nice. Been hearing a lot about that one lately.
Playing with the leverage on that ZoomX a little bit, Gareth. You liking it?
500x, man. It's about as addicting as anything.
Little crack hit in the morning.
You see, my leverage trades are like 3x, 4x. Like that's as aggressive.
Altcoins, you really don't want to do anything more than that. I mean, when something goes
the stops
against
are too
you with
close,
altcoins, it's like the risk is really, really high. I mean, I really just stick with Bitcoin when it comes to this stuff. It's like, man, it's like the perfect kind of balance of risk reward. And it's like if you do a huge trade in altcoins, it's just too risky, man. And so that's rated that,
I say I didn't short INJ, but I actually took profits up here. I did take that position out, so I think that's a good idea.
I like my short even better now.
Yeah, did that, and then I shorted Solana. I was looking for a Solana short right around above 45, so took that one. That was publicly on Twitter, so it should be out there for people for targets.
Nice.
I went short on Solana just a second ago. It's doing pretty good.
Yeah,
Oh, you
bring
put
that up.
in. You put in.
I got
another trade?
stopped out of the ETH one, lost
Okay.
$30, but the Sol is fighting back. We're at $13 in profits, so
Let's
Trying
go.
Trying to
doing
work
okay.
out.
Doing okay.
Chad, if anybody wants,
I'm glad you guys are able to follow my lead here. You know, someone's got to help you guys out around here.
That's right.
You
gotta
don't
have
really want to
somebody
long
for
into
that
the
too.
weekly open, so
What'd you say, Magic?
I was saying longing into the weekly open right now is probably not a great idea, considering it's right above the VWAP. I mean, it's just kind of an area that you want to look for a position lower. But, yeah.
Talking about Solana.
No, I'm talking about Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Magic, you want to give us a quick run through on Bitcoin right now?
Sure.
I know that's what you're looking at anyway. What you got?
You don't know what I'm looking at. Come on.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah. So for me, again, you know, I rely, if I'm going to do day trades, I like to know what the trend is doing. And as I've mentioned before, we do very simple things with like regressions, just with custom settings. So in terms of, you know, your developing week trends, you can see that you're actually meeting at an intersection right now. You're at the literal EQ of both of them. So you're kind of like diddling in the middle, so to speak. It was also going to be the New York session point of control, weekly open, you know, daily point of control just above. It's just not a great place for me that I wanted to long. You guys didn't quite give us the go ahead to trade when we hit that until after. I was kind of hoping to take a short there. I was hoping it would wait till 3 o'clock, but is what it is. So I'm going to try to find an entry now that the New York session's closed here and figure that out, but look for a long here in the near term potentially.
Blame Crusader.
I do.
Blame your coach.
I don't know, man.
Early enough.
You're the one that seems to always come out with these weird rules and stuff. I feel like there's some
Yeah, man.
collusion
He's
going on here.
always scheming up some stuff for his team.
I mean,
Team
you know,
schemers. That's what they should be called. Team
he's like
schemers.
he's like Bill Belichick
one.
without the wins, right?
Bill Belichick, yeah.
Yeah. If you're
Like
not
like Michigan
fine,
football, like Michigan football right now. You know?
Oh, Dick, I'm trying to get out of this damn link short. I'm trying to limit out, but fuck, I should have just marked it. It's like it's roaring back up here.
Oh yeah, how
I've
bad did it
taken a
come back
long-
at you?
I've taken a trade on
It's
a
like
Bitcoin.
halfway. It's going. It's going.
What you got going on, Jason?
I just longed Bitcoin 100x because of a 5-minute divergence at a very small time frame golden pocket. So this is all
Let's
or nothing
go.
right here, baby.
100x. What size? What position?
About $78,000.
Oof. Let's
so-
get it.
Let's see what happens, man. You know, I mean, I've got a 5-minute bullish divergence. You know, a 5-second. I mean, so,
I was like, oh boy.
let's see.
Trading the
what happens,
5-second
man.
chart, looking at the 5-minute chart. Let's get it.
Yeah, 5-second. Let's see. It's a little bit in the bread right now, you know, but the 5-second doesn't let me down, baby. So let's go, baby. You know, now we're in the,
Where's your? Do you have a stop
we're in
for
the
it?
green.
or-
No stop.
No,
It's the
no
last
stop.
day of the show, man. I got nothing to lose here.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Going commando.
Here we go.
Now we're talking.
Uh-oh.
100x, no
What's the
stops.
liquidation point for that trade?
The liquidation point is 34,798,
Oh my
which is
God.
honestly that's a massive drop, honestly. So let's see.
It'd be a big drop within a
I
quick
should have
little bit of
shorted.
time.
I really should have shorted Bitcoin. You know what's funny is I shorted Bitcoin from my real account, and I'm like, why didn't I do that from my fake account? But let's see here. I hit a TP1 on my real account, so I figured might as well long from this account. But you know, it's not going so good. But you know what? The 5-second is still looking like she wants to turn to the upside. Being honest.
I hope you're right,
know,
man. I
Look
hope
at this.
you're right.
If you know, let's see this blue line right down here. I think could give us a little bit of a bounce here. You know.
So we're gonna get heavy into some negative eggity, and then we're gonna turn back around. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. You know, it's
Okay.
just part of the game. A little bit of drawdown here.
Just want to remind you guys are on the same team. You could help each other.
I tried to copy that trade, Jason. Not doing too good yet.
Oh no!
Man.
Taking the team down with him.
God.
Oh no, you know the 5-second though. You know the 5-second it doesn't let me down.
I mean, I was looking at the pocket that we're supposed to bounce off of, but it's not. We're losing it.
I
I
just
know.
want to clarify
Jeez, man.
when I said to beat Ben's record, I didn't mean the biggest loss. I meant the biggest win.
Okay,
Just in
A
case you guys
little
were
take
confused.
profit. Just took a little more profit. I'm officially $12.54 in the green for the day. We still got 3,500 into the trade. It's going pretty good here. Let me share the screen here. Let me.
I like it.
share the screen here. We just had a little take profit somewhere at like 54 cents or something. So we locked in 12. I marketed out half the position. I kind of got a little scared earlier, but yeah, no, we're doing all right.
Nice.
I might be. I don't think I'm number one in the competition yet. How much profit is everyone in so far on their accounts? Does everybody know? Can you look at it? I'm up $111, not including this unrealized. $111.
I'm up around there. I think you're ahead of me, CryptoFace. I'm up around 100. But
there's
after
button
that
where-
loss, lower.
There's a place in the settings you can go to check your P&L for your account. And I think we can get everyone's P&L. Like
Yeah,
that.
I know, but you know what the thing is like some people are like doing trades on their own.
Oh, that's
not
right,
during
that's
the
right.
show
Yeah,
and
we're gonna have
stuff.
to
And
look.
so I have it. So I just
We're
know
gonna go back
whatever.
through and look and give make sure if you win, Face, you're gonna get your trophy, brother.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
I think the only person that was doing that was CVO, doing some sneaky stuff. But
some sneaky
stuff.
Yeah,
I was trading off hours too.
Yeah, but Gareth, weren't you trading with some of your own money, or you were trading off
Yeah,
off
but it's
this
still-
as
it's still in
well?
the same
No,
account.
I threw
Oh,
it
it's still in
my
the
own
same.
money in
That's
there.
right. That's right. Okay.
Is that Bitcoin coming back?
We getting that bounce, Jason?
Back a little bit. How's
Yeah,
that
man.
BTC?
It's going
Right
great,
off
you
the
know?
line. Right off the line, bro.
Yeah, right from the line, man. You know, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby.
What's the
I'm in it to
unrealized
win it.
P&L looking like for that trade right now? Can you scroll down a little bit?
You know, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. You know, it's not the best, but
Okay.
it's,
That's moving in the
Look.
right direction.
yeah, we're getting that bounce. Look, the 5-second time frame has got real nice bullish divergences here. So let's see what we can get here. I'm here.
Just want to quickly remind the audience, we got almost 400 people in here. Smash those likes. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. And if you haven't joined the competition, get ready for season 2. Season 2 is starting next week. So make sure you hit that link in the chat and get ready to start rocking and rolling for season 2.
Yeah, we got a lot of big names for season 2. Super excited about it as well. I think we'll probably make a couple little small changes, but overall, people seem to have really liked the format of the show. So hopefully everybody's been enjoying it, and somebody's going to win some money from the audience. So that's always fun. If you guys want to sign up, sign up.
Yeah, let's do a quick little round, a little summary of what's been going on so far. So, Evan, you've been in about 2 trades now. You were in a Solana short.
So I've been in. It's a total of 4 trades so far. One was a loss. So I went long on, but I'm fighting back. I went long on Ethereum now with a big bounce. This is a beautiful trade. This has got a good shot of doing really well. I'm almost at first take profit here. Nice jump off of the VWAP. Also jump off of this huge fib level. Bullish div on the 1 minute. This is a textbook, beautiful, kind of strategy right here. And we could also look at, let's just draw another fib level that would help us, potentially
Oh,
find
is it
places to
crashing
take
down though? Is it crashing down now?
profits around 1900. Yeah, but nothing goes straight up.
Oh, it doesn't?
Well, I beg to differ.
But it is crashing down. You're right. It's crashing
I
down.
got
Yeah.
out of line. I ended up
Spoke too
only
soon.
making, I think, like, I don't even know, like $18. I could have made 35, but I made like $18 on this trade.
It's a solid trade. I like it.
All right, so Evan's been in 4 trades so far. Solana short was profitable, and then he's been in 2 ETH trades. What's the 4th one? What's the other asset?
Bitcoin. The same trade as Jason. Jay,
Okay.
did you take profits yet, or and now we're dumping?
We're dumping, man. We rejected off my entry, to the
Yeah,
dollar.
it's a tough. Yeah, because we had such a good setup right before the show started that long, and then
Yeah. Did you take that long?
no, I was too. Well, I was in a ETH long from before, but no, I was too early.
In. God, I got out the rest of the trade like at this little top. Now I feel like an idiot.
Can't sell every top, Face. You sell enough of them.
Thanks.
So we got Jason in that Bitcoin long.
It's going good.
It's going good.
It's going good.
We got Face, and you got out of your trade, Face.
Yeah, I'm currently in no positions. Yeah.
Closed profitably on that chain link.
Yeah.
Nice.
I haven't
Yeah.
had one bad trade yet, knock on wood. Every single trade I've done on this show has been profitable.
That's true.
Let's get it. That's
It's a
good.
true story.
And we got Gareth Soloway and Magic still waiting for their trade today, right? No trades yet from you guys.
I'm in a long.
Oh,
Yeah, I got in.
They
at,
failed to announce. Didn't want to stop hunting.
Nah, 34,980. It's not a great position. I was actually looking for a little bit lower, but I just wanted to take a starter position and then limit it in the rest of the size if possible. I'm going 69x, so might as well go big or go
Yeah,
home.
baby. That's what
There
I'm
we go.
saying. Come on.
There we go. 69x.
Man, I'm 100x. Let's
are you
go,
longing
baby.
or shorting?
Long. Looking for a
Long.
long. So yeah, you're coming into 46 on like the 5-minute RSI. You've got a good delta drop off in terms of like open interest right now. Plus the value area low of the day is there. So to me, it's the risk is okay to put on right there.
Crusader, if I'm not
Internet
mistaken,
money,
your
Magic
team
Internet-
your team is counter trading each other. I just want to throw that out there. Good, Jason.
Magic Internet Money has a whole bunch of real technical good reasons to get long here, but for me, I'm going based on the 5-second time frame divergence.
The 1 second pulling up.
Hey, we're coming. We're fighting back on that long.
I know that the 5-second don't play, baby.
You
Look,
need like a Nicolas Cage mask for gone in 60 seconds. Every time you're going to trade the 5-second, just throw it up there. 100x. The count could be gone in 5 seconds.
You guys are in and out quick.
there we go, baby.
Okay, so I just won the Solana trade. I closed that out for a profit.
Nice.
I think. Oh wait. No, yeah. I think I'd have to look. I don't think it was stopped out. I think it was closed out for a profit. 90% sure.
How are we taking trades in closing hours, bro? We're in crypto, dude. This never closes.
No, I said it's automatically
Somebody-
went out.
Somebody in the chat. Somebody in the chat.
You must be a Gareth guy. He must be one of the Gareth guys.
We only have an hour.
You guys are confused, Gareth. They think we're on the stock. We're in the stock market right now. But yeah. Let's see here.
Even stocks you can trade as early as 4 in the morning and as
That's
late as
true.
8 p.m.
That's true. Crypto Tatted Zach said, "Are we going to do a draft for season 2 as well?" Yes, we are. We are planning on doing that on Friday. That's the
I
game.
just want to quickly say, does somebody have their mic open as an echo, or is it just me that's hearing an echo?
No, I heard it too. And yeah, it's still there.
I think it's you guys because I remember earlier when you guys said something, it was echoing from you.
Don't think
Your
so.
fault, not ours.
Don't think so. It's gone now. Somebody sleuth. Somebody's. Oh no.
Back.
All right. We got a $5 super chat.
It's definitely you guys. I think I can hear myself. Hello, testing. 1, 2.
It's definitely not us, but
Okay, it's probably Evan or Gareth or someone.
I just checked
Oh.
the settings. It shouldn't be.
I'll mute myself. Let's see. Give me 1 second.
we got a $5 super chat coming from. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, and we got a $5 super chat. Thank you, Mike. Said good vibes. Appreciate you, brother. And then I just want to throw out to the chat, if you guys are looking to get into season 2, make sure to jump in. We've got a few things that we're going to be doing over in season 2 that you guys are really going to enjoy as well. A bunch of new names, big names in season 2. Super excited for that. So Game Plan Crusader, we're going to do that on Friday.
Yeah, we get everything wrapped up on time. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's the game plan.
Friday.
Friday's supposed to be the
There's going to be some changes to the show for sure. There's going to be some new levels of gamification, little incentives to do certain types of risk-on trades and certain little things that haven't happened for season 1. There might be some NFTs involved for season 2 involved in the game, as a thing for the show. So maybe not. We'll see. You guys will find out. There's definitely some changes coming. I think it's going to be fun and entertaining.
Yeah, overall, it's going to be the same show, though, everybody. It's going to be exciting. I'm super excited about it.
It'll be Team Crusader winning once again.
I'm trying to re-enter this short on Link or what am I on? Link. Yeah, I'm setting a couple limits, try to get back in this short. I think she's still got a little room to the downside, but I'd like to catch it here. Hang on. Oh, whoops.
Let's see it happen, brother. Hey, Gareth, we got a super chat says, come on, Gareth. We want 100x. That's from Below. Wants 100x from you, bro. That's all he's asking for. Just 100x.
My first time ever, man. If I did it.
I mean, you did your first leverage trade
true.
live on here too. So
That's true.
win in Rome.
Face, you have me to pull up your screen for something?
I'm trying.
Hey, this isn't bad, Crusader. Losing team of each week should make a rule for the winning team for the following trading session. That's actually a fun little. That's a fun little like incentive. As long as we, capped what the rule. You know what I mean?
Yeah, those rules.
Yeah, we have to.
Team schemers over there, maybe, be losing and then just trying to ruin.
I had reduce only on, and so it wouldn't let me get my trade in, but I just unclicked it. So
What's reduce only Face?
reduced only means that it will not add to your position. It will. So like if you're trying to exit a trade really quick, and you don't want to. Son of a gun, it's going down here. I didn't get in yet. You can click reduce only, so you can make sure that you don't like counter swing yourself into another position.
Oh, okay.
So
just makes it a simple way to do the setup.
Yeah, if you're like flopping and groping, you're just hammering buttons trying to get out. If you have reduce only, it will only it won't.
No matter what you push.
Yeah, no matter what you push. Yeah.
It only closes
only and be like, I'm trying to get in more, and it won't let you. Yeah,
I got you.
It's really a safety thing because I don't know how many people have probably put in, sell orders trying to close and just opened up positions the other way on accident. So
I've never done such a thing.
Well, I put a poll out there saying, who could beat Ben's large win, and 69% of people watching right now say Jayson Casper can. So how's that trade going, Jason? You're on mute right now.
Jason, you're muted, brother.
You know what? I think I might be able to do it. I've got $72,000 on a trade, 78,000. And look, we got a little symmetrical triangle right here, and we just take the measured move, and boom, it's gonna bring us right back up to 35,111.
Ooh.
And we're gonna be getting out like $120, baby. That's what I'm
like it.
talking about.
Let's see what you got.
The 5 seconds, it's not looking so bad right now. It's just a Wyckoff schematic number 2 right here. The whales are accumulating right now. We're about to pump. See, look.
I just pulled the trigger on a short matic trade here. It wasn't ideal, but time's a ticking and got to get in a trade here. So basically this trend line here, we're just bubbling up against it, trying to play for a pullback off this level on matic. We'll see.
Okay.
All right, so you're shorting that position.
Yeah.
And 100x, right, Gareth?
10x, 20,000. I was going to say shares, but I guess it's considered coins.
Perfect. I mean, Jason, that's exactly what Lifer does, right? He just draws a triangle, draws a line, and boom, the candles just do the thing.
Yeah, I'm actually kind of joking about this triangle too, because this is definitely not the measured move. But you know what? We're going based on hope right now. We're going, it's balls to the wall. We've only got one shot, one opportunity right now. So got a 50-50 shot, long or short.
That's
5 second time frame says long, baby. Money flow's about to cross. Let's see what happens here.
That 15-second, Jason. That 15-second. I like that 15.
Yeah, the 15
add
second.
that one, the 15-second. I'm gonna have to add that into the repertoire of time frames.
Yeah, 15 second actually is really nice.
Magic, how's that Bitcoin trade going?
We're sitting in profit technically, but the fee is going to eat that profit if we close. So I'm just sitting here comfortably waiting. I don't like it because it's just below the averages. I do feel like there could be like a little dip to the downside, but it's part of it. We're trying to be a little more aggressive this week. I've been the missionary position of trading for this competition. So.
Wait a minute. Hold on. You totally caught me sideways there. I was half looking at the chat, and then I hear Magic talking about the missionary position. So can we go through that again? Because I think I missed something.
I've just been really conservative, using actual like risk management and sizing. I've won every trade except for one on the competition, but I've only got like a $42 profit on the account. So trying to be a little more aggressive since that's the nature of the show. And we'll throw up that 69x leverage and see what we get.
See what happens. Hey, Jason, you got the chat going nuts, wanting you to sing some pump song, bro. Sing the pump song.
Oh, I can't, man. Because
Don't
why
ask
can't you
them
sing
to
the
do
pump song?
those things. Those things got to come naturally. You got to be there. You can't like ask people to do it.
I don't know the pump song. I want to hear the pump song. I want to hear the pump song. What's the pump song, Jason?
the pump song is a song that I sing to pump the price of Bitcoin.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, I need the instrumentals for it. I don't have it. You know, I can't just sing the pump song, man.
You got to have instrumentals too. Okay.
Yeah.
You need a beat.
Yeah, I need the beat. But you know what? Maybe everyone else out there singing the pump song or playing the video is pumping the price. Because look, man, Bitcoin's starting to get a massive. I've never seen such a candle before in my life. Actually, look at this. Look at that. Sheesh.
So you're making some money.
Oh yeah, man. I'm only. Yes. yeah. But you know, I'm looking into the future over here. You know, it's an investment. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's
it's we got 40. How much more time we got?
40. We got 34 minutes.
Yep.
All right. Come on.
Halfway through.
Come on, baby. Come on. We got this. Come on. 5 seconds, please. Baby.
I just want to quickly remind everyone in the audience watching this show, right? Magic made a statement about, well, you know, I've been trading this whole time. I've only made $42 in the account. And I want to make it clear to the audience that we're forcing these traders, right? They're all great traders in their individual perspective and their own strategies, but we're forcing them to ignore those strategies, come up with new strategies in these crackhead times, and take trades during an hour where there's not a lot of volume, right? Under the worst possible conditions, taking high risk trades to try to make something happen. So I don't want people thinking that this is a reflection on their skills.
Yeah, only 4%. Wow, what a shitty trader he is. He's only made 4% in like 3 hours technically.
Exactly.
He sucks.
I want people to remember that the whole show is to make you trade under the worst possible conditions and still try to come out profitable at the end.
Dude, out of 10 traders, I believe after last week, I think that all 10 of them are right at or damn close to being profitable under the worst conditions, even with us playing little freaking stupid games and making you guys 30x leverage. Like, I'm impressed. I didn't know whether they're going to be able to do it just from the standpoint that, like, we tell people all the time, and you guys, when you come on and talk on our show before about trading, what's one of the things that everybody says? Don't force trades, right? And that's effectively what we're doing for entertainment purposes. You guys are still freaking making money. I also want to take just a brief second to thank our sponsors again. Market Cypher, thank you. Shout out CryptoFace. Market Cypher got 20% off if you're looking for Market Cypher. It's been a very reliable indicator for a lot of people in the industry, so make sure to check that out. That is down in the link below. ZoomX, thank you for providing the liquidity for the show. We have been having a great time. The traders are enjoying using the platform, so thank you to you. And then thank you to Houdini Swap. Houdini Swap, if you haven't used it, is the leading compliant privacy platform for sending, swapping, and bridging cross-chain. It's not just another coin mixer. So if you guys have a pledge to privacy like myself and Crusader do, make sure to check out Houdini Swap. You can use our code down below as well. It's a really nice thing to use. I like using it for my hardware wallet movements. You know what I mean? So thank you to our sponsors. All right, so
You're welcome.
Delayed. You're welcome. Let's go through. Evan's done 16 trades so far. Okay, Evan, do you want to take us through their trade?
So yeah, I did get it. It definitely hasn't been a good day. Not in a trade right now. Got stopped out of 3. Made a tiny profit on 1 so far. So definitely not a too of a fun game. Just trying to copy trade Jayson Casper's kind of long. And then
is he blaming? Are you blaming?
No, I'm not blaming you.
For a bad day?
It was a good setup. It just didn't work out so far. You still in that, Jason?
Yeah, you know, I added a little bit more into it. Now I've got 93K on the trade. I'm down $200. No stop loss, 100x. Let's see what happens here, baby. Come on. We got about half an hour left. I'm closing this thing in the green.
There we go.
Right, down to the last second.
Face, where you at, bro?
I am. Am I sharing? Yeah.
Yes, you are.
I just hit a little take profits on link here. Damn, it's roaring. And now
you got back into the link trade again.
I did.
Okay.
I went a little heavier too. And
Okay.
yeah, so let's see. I guess I'm up 17 on this trade. Looks like I'm at 120. So okay, that's including unrealized. Yeah, so I'm working with it, man. I'm shimmying this link down. And to be honest, it's about dodging fees right now. I'm just trying to limit my way out, and that's pretty much it, man. Doing what I can. It's yeah.
CryptoFace, you do a lot of leverage trading. For anybody that's done it, has watched you, can you tell the people what a couple good strategies are? Because fees are obviously a part of leverage trading. Can you tell a couple strategies for limiting on fees?
Sure. Well, you know, obviously it's better to limit order and be a market maker.
Evan, can you mute for us, please?
Market taker. So you know you're adding positions to the books and creating the market, and so that's always less fees. Sometimes they pay you for doing it.
Okay.
And then if there is a post only option, it's always better to use that as well. And that's pretty much it.
Okay. So limit orders.
And if there's, you can get into the whole funding fee thing. Normally that's, you're kind of going against the market. If you're with the funding fee, you're going against the market. So if you're able to time that, but yeah, pretty much it.
Cool. Appreciate you. Jason.
Yes, sir.
How's it going?
It's it's going, man. Look, we're getting a bounce from a 618 Fibonacci level right now. And we've got about 29 minutes. All we need to do is come up a little bit. I think we might be able to do it. You know what I'm saying, man?
I don't know if that line was big enough. I think you should probably make it a lot longer than that.
Well, all we need to do right now is come up in about 30 minutes. We need to come up from here just 0.45%. I think
that's doable.
It's doable, man. It's doable. Let's go.
Let's go. And then Crusader, who we got? So we got Gareth. Gareth, what's going on with you? You in a trade currently?
Yeah, still in that Matic short, slightly in the money. I think I'm up about $22 or so. So
nice.
Still riding it. We'll see if it can dip down a little bit.
Okay. And then Magic.
You got my screen shared. If you want to pull it up, you can.
Yep.
Like I said, I was looking for possibly another dip below where we were on that initial entry. We got it. Gold pockets there coming into support ideally on the daily time frame. So we'll see what kind of a bounce we get. Technically, it says it's in positive, but with fees, it's actually a negative. So we'll see if we can get the Jayson Casper 5-second turned around here.
Let's move.
And, pump our bag.
Let's go. Yeah, I think
those bags.
I think the bags are pumpable. I'll be honest.
For those of you who have just jumped in, it is the last day for Team Crusader, and they are going heavy, trying to go out with a bang. They have been beaten up on Team Keeper throughout. Last week, we threw them a little curveball, which might have helped Team Keeper creep back in. And I got CryptoFace on here making money today, helping the team out, trying to see what we can do. Mix it up, shake it up. But the last day for season 2 is actually this Thursday. So if you did not get the opportunity to jump in on season 1,
here we go.
You guys can still sign up and then jump in on season 2. That will be starting next week. So we're super excited about that. We've got a big cast coming on season 2 as well.
Oh, we're getting that pump.
Yeah, we're getting it.
Yeah.
And that's a 5-second chart.
I mean, I don't have the 5-second pulled up here, but the 5-second is definitely super bullish. Like it's just printed a red candle on it, but even the 15 seconds looking like she wants to go to 100K.
I think we got
100K during the show.
During the show,
69K first, 69K first, then 100K. Baby steps.
100x leverage and it moves to 100K within 26 minutes. What kind of news flash would we need to get on that one, huh?
I think
Bitcoin
the ETF
is the world reserve currency. Is the new world reserve currency? Would that need to be the announcement? It would probably need to be something to that order.
Just ETF approval is all we need.
Yeah, ETF.
Crusader, I had Crypto Billy jumped into the stream the other day, and he said he agreed with me on the on the ETH bet that I have about Bitcoin. And he said, bro, just bet me the opposite direction. You gotta, set yourself up for a win either way. You got to hedge. He basically said he'll bet me the exact opposite bet, and then that way I don't lose. I was like, wait a minute. I also don't win anything if I do that either. And I was trying to win some money. But
Yeah, I don't
shout out
think
to
you're
Billy
gonna-
if he's in the
you're gonna
chat.
win money on that one.
What's that?
I don't think you're gonna win money on that one.
Well, let's ask the traders. Who thinks Bitcoin's going to 50K before the halving?
Oof.
I think Magic does.
Okay, let's call it out. Magic, do you think it's getting to 50K before the halving?
I mean, I don't like falling in love with things, but I did say in my group, God, what day was that? Let's go back. We have a tab called Jumping to Conclusions where I just post baloney and let other people post their baloney. It was on July 18th that if you're going to get 50K, you'll have to wait till January based on timing of one-to-one impulses. So if you are going to see that after the October pivot in time, I think January is when you could, and then you could be in for some fun.
And
Okay.
guess what else is in January?
What else
ETF
is in
deadline for Grayscale.
Yeah. Okay, so Magic thinks possibly, yeah. Evan?
I'm gonna guess no, but it wouldn't surprise me. I think it's a little bit too optimistic. I think we got to wait more towards the end of 2024 for that, but it's possible. But I would guess no.
Okay. Gareth? Barrett?
I'm leaning towards no. I think if anything, we touch it and then reverse back down. I could see if the spot ETF gets approved, that's kind of your max upside, maybe.
Yeah.
But,
Okay. Jason?
He would still lose the bet even if it touches.
If it touches, I'm screwed, but that's not the point. Jason, what do you think?
So if we don't reject from where we're at now, like 36, 37, then yeah, I think it's super possible because the next resistance is right around that. The golden pocket comes in right at like, I guess it's below 40K. It's like 47K. So
is that a yes or no?
I guess if the answer is 50K, yeah, why the heck not, man? Why the heck not? I mean, seriously. I mean, it could be a very fast move up because look, we're at the first resistance. We're at pretty much the only resistance that we have on the high time frames until 50K. So if we don't reject here, if this isn't the top of the bear market rally, yeah, we could get a real fast move up there. It could be real smooth.
And I'm going to guess I know CryptoFace's answer, but let's ask him. Face, yes or no?
What was the question?
50K before the halving.
When's the halving?
March, April.
Ooh. I don't know. I think normally the price. I feel like the price waits after the halving happened. Like I feel like it dumps on the actual halving. People get trapped on the halving, and then like after 3 to 6 months, I think the price then goes up after. But I could be wrong.
No, that's right. People are thinking the ETF is going to change that.
Yeah, for sure. 100% will. I just want to quickly remind people we got almost 400 people in here. Let's get to 200 likes. We're at 180 likes. We can get 250 likes, guys. Smash
At
those
least.
likes.
I'm thinking about going ham here again. I'm still in this short, but I was thinking about adding to it. But I might just try to kind of focus on getting out of this. I'm in 10,500 still, locked in about $17. We're kind of skirting. But if I switch to, let me switch to the actual charts here. Okay, here we go. What are we on here? The 5 second, the 30 second. We have momentum clipping over. So I'm looking for that to continue. I would like to see this 5 second go down. The 1 second has me shitting my pants. And if I'm looking at the 1 minute, we've kind of had a little support here. We've had this kind of, this looks like bull run type stuff here. But we are on the 1 minute, and like I said, it's kind of just looking sideways, some up, some down. Boy, this 5 minute looks pretty good, I have to say, for bulls. So I don't know. I might be trying to get my ass out of this right now. I'm scared.
Yeah, but you'd be getting out in profit. You've locked in that $17, right?
Yes, Dad.
That's right. So we're like, Face is like at least $30 in profit for today. So that's a win. Evan's struggling and blaming Jason.
Casper's going to be $200.
Yeah, just trying to hunt another kind of trade here, man. I think we could be forming a reverse head and shoulders on ETH potentially here. Maybe something like this would work out, especially with that 30-second money flow crossover. Some of these lower time frames don't look terrible. The 1 minute not looking too good, but man, a little bit of a tough day today. But yeah, just trying to find something in the next 20 minutes. So yeah.
I definitely did expect more market volatility today after the weekend altcoin pumps. I was like, man, I think Monday's going to be pretty popping. And it's been pretty flat.
Well, you know, I think the next 20 minutes are going to blow away the past 2 weeks with the volatility. So get ready.
Especially if you're in a 100x trade.
Especially, you know.
Somebody's saying in the chat that Vanguard pulled out of the ETF. Have we heard this?
They
news
did.
Yet? Anybody know what the word behind that is?
They're focusing on other sectors of the market. Is what they publicly
works
said.
For actually, he used to work for Vanguard, and yeah, he works for like a government agency now that deals like with the money for like the Pentagon or some shit. But yeah, my cousin used to work for Vanguard.
And can he give us some inside info or what?
Is he
Can we
working
get him
on
the line?
And I'm up $25 realized.
Nice.
Is he working in the sector that the Pentagon keeps losing trillions of dollars all the time? Is that
They're probably they're I don't know. He does some. It's like a group of like 5 guys. He's young too, dude. My cousin's young, and yeah, they're like in charge of some budget for some Pentagon stuff.
Okay, we got D-Gens working at the Pentagon handling money.
That's right.
My cousin is really smart. He is super smart. Good kid. So shout out to him. I know he's not watching, but you know,
but maybe he will.
Dang, I think my whole position just exited. Yeah, it did. I'm actually let me put on my ZoomX. I'm out. I am out of this trade and I'm in profit, baby. It feels good. Whoops, that's the wrong. Hang on. Everything looks so. All the symbols.
It did look similar for sure.
Same. Okay, hang on.
Sure.
ZoomX. Here we go.
He's like, "Whoa, I'm $1 million in profit."
Not bad. Here we go. And we still have $500 in the trade now. It was a 15K trade. Took $30. Your boy's up $118.60 for the competition.
I like it.
Get it. Nice.
Up $30 today. Let's go. Hey, Face is making a little move here, trying to make everybody squirm. See if they can, see if they can catch up. Probably would have helped to have CVO on here. Well, maybe. I don't know. I guess
we got 17 minutes left of trading, guys. We're almost out of time.
It's going to be the most bullish 17 minutes of your life, right?
I hope so. I hope so.
That would be the most climactic. Yeah, climactic.
Somebody help him out.
Yeah.
Climax.
Your use was very anticlimactic, but we'll get through it. All right, so chat. First of all, thank you guys all for being here. We appreciate everybody. If you haven't signed up, make sure to sign up with the ZoomX link that we have below. Just as a reminder, we also have 20% off Market Cipher. That's down below, so you guys can check that out as well. Crusader, I don't think
people smashed enough.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I think people are lazy, bro.
Likes away from
so easy.
Let's get it.
It's so easy. If you're on mobile and you're like, damn, how do I like this thing? You just X out of the mobile chat, not out of the whole thing. Just hit X on the chat. Then you hit the like, and then you hit the little chat button again, and you're back. Poof. It's like Houdini Swap. Poof. There it is.
Gareth, how's that trade with you were shorting Polygon, right?
Yeah, it's all right. I think I'm in the money, $26 right now. So we'll see when it comes down here. It's still fighting this level. Honestly, it's it's definitely not acting the way I would prefer. You want it to head straight down, but we'll see if we can't just get one little flush, get down to a little target, grab some money here.
Nice, dude. Nice. Silently in the green, but in the green nonetheless.
That's right.
I thought your trade was in trouble. Man, Gareth's been quiet.
Oh yeah, it's just honestly, it's a little boring today, man. There's just not a lot.
Yeah, it's been pretty flat today.
Now you guys know how it feels to be a Thursday guy.
I hear you guys don't even show up. You just sleep right through it.
Ouch. Coming from the guy who slept right through. What?
You guys
I slept through two.
What?
Not even trading at Bell.
Listen, Face, don't take that from him. He slept through 2 of them.
I was supposed to
Not
go
even
on
just
last
one.
Thursday, and I didn't go.
Yeah.
Nick, you also made me do the Evan Aldo 1v1, so I figured it was fine.
Yeah,
know?
and you broke rules and you lost there too. So
I'm sorry that you wanted me to trade 4 times in an hour. Like, just wasn't going to happen.
Schemers, man. I'm telling you, team schemers. Coming up all
Yeah.
crazy rules.
I admit I
Evan,
took
shout
L.
out to Evan for being a rule follower. Thank you, Evan.
Yeah, that was interesting. That was interesting.
Evan still hasn't been beaten on 1v1. Just want to throw that out there to everybody. We are doing 1v1s as well. We're going to continue to do that, and we're trying to set up a bracket right now. And yeah, I don't know. Evan hasn't been beaten yet, so just want to throw that out there if anybody's interested in trying their hand against Mr. Aldo.
Yeah, I know CVO was talking about it, but he kind of chickened out a little bit.
Yep, that's what I heard. He put Magic in his place. He was like, "Magic, please go, take my spot." I can bust his balls because he's not on here right now. It's easier, you know.
Yeah.
I want to hit this comment here real quick. It says, I hate when YouTubers say hit the like button. Well, maybe if you guys hit the like button, we wouldn't have to remind you to hit the button.
Everybody hates being told to hit the like button, but I got news for you. It's ultimately, unfortunately, part of what pushes the algorithm for the viewership and all of the.
Yeah, we got some
things.
pump action right here. I wouldn't be surprised if Billy over there was kicking some butt, man. It's
I know if we had more time.
I'm into it. My account's into it. Let's go.
Yeah. What are we looking at?
It's up. Go ahead. Let's go. We're working on it here. We're trying to make the improbable comeback.
Boy, you better look out for them fees, boy.
I know, dude. I marketed in some of that position, but we got the post limit on the way out, so hopefully that saves our ass a little bit.
Good luck.
He goes, "Good luck."
Good luck.
I wasn't being sarcastic.
It's moving. It's still going.
It is moving. I can see his P&L.
The 5 second doesn't lie, guys. I'm telling you. Look,
Jason, how's your trade?
The trade is great. Look at these gains, man. I'm telling you, the 5 second don't lie.
Hey, but it's moving.
It is moving in the right direction.
You're almost at the entry point.
Yeah.
So, Magic, you've only done 1 trade today, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's the one trade. I'm okay to do 1 trade today, right?
Yes, son. Yes, son. You are. You're okay to do 1 trade just today.
I'm trying to get this thing up over 10% so that I can, hold my head up high if I ever meet CryptoFace. Share a glass of orange juice with him.
Yeah.
Hey, man, you're doing good on this trade.
It's the last show of the season. Maybe we should go an extra 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
I'm showing up on Thursday. It's not the last show of the season.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Oh, that's true. You guys can show up on Thursday.
I've only traded 3 days?
Yeah, I vote for extra 10 minutes with Jason. I vote for extra 10 minutes.
Let's get it. Extra 10 minutes. Let's make it happen.
Power hour begins at 4 p.m.
Cut him off.
Cut him off. Cut him off. Another show on Thursday. Cut him off.
We got 383 people in here. Crusader, how many likes we have, bro? Just curious.
I'll tell you right now. We've got 247 likes.
Come on, at least give us
good. That's over half. That's pretty good. Ask them to do it again.
Fun fact, guys. If you don't
as
like
long
the
as you
show,
ask them one more time, then they'll do it.
If you don't like the show, hit the dislike button because that actually has the same effect on YouTube's algorithm.
That's true.
So any kind of interaction is good. So if you don't like it, leave a comment after the show and hit the dislike button. That's totally fine.
That's right. Smash the likes.
Yeah, I'm glad I got out of this link trade. I would have been in the red now. This shit's pumped back up we're at the all-time high for the last hour, the local high.
Well, you made a good decision then, sounds like.
Yes,
we're
I did.
$69 into the profit right now. So she came back a little bit. Let's go.
Still moving. There you go. Still moving.
Yeah.
Where's your first take profit?
Right above us here. I was like $6 away. She's probably gonna leave me hanging.
What are you going to be taking out? Like 50%, 25%?
Yeah, 50%. That way, no matter what, covers the fees and a little bit of profit. And then we'll see how high she wants to fly.
Well, it's happening.
Get it. Come on. Let's go. You're up, what, $70?
Yeah.
75 almost now.
You could almost beat Ben's trade of $100. So was it 105, 110 bucks?
I'm gonna need to get to 35,069 for that. We've done the math.
Which is why he set up the 69x trade to get to 35,000.
Yeah. This is all an elaborate ruse just to get that Gronkowski number in here. Don't leave me hanging by like 80 cents. Come on.
We do plan on giving a little like NFT accolades in the next season.
There we go.
For things like
that. All right. We're in the green on the day. There we go.
I'm in the green as well right now.
What? Jason, you're back in the green?
Well, I'm at $0. Okay, now negative $2. Dang. But you know, I wasn't.
But for a second, you enjoyed it for a second. It was good while it lasted.
I think, you know, at 4 o'clock when New York closes, that's when that's power hour, baby. That's when Bitcoin pumps. So that's why we need those extra 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
I'm for the extra 10 minutes. I think you guys got hit with a heavy curveball last week, and I'm good.
I don't care if you do the 10 minutes, but I do want to say I'm not going to be here for the 10 minutes because I got to go train. I got to leave to go train.
Schemers got to go do something.
Got to go.
We don't have to do 10 minutes.
Got to go knock some jaws. That's right.
No, that wig is going back the wrong way.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
So you locked in already, Magic?
I think he meant cut it 10 minutes short.
Yeah. We're locked in. You're above all the EMAs on the 5. I normally don't trade EMAs, but when you're doing something like this, it can be done. So like the curvature, as long as you're not losing the 5 here at like 34,980, I would say that the pump is good to at least give an attempt up here into the VWAP formally, right around 35,016, give or take. Which calling it a pump when it's a $19 move from here, but yeah. Yeah. But at 69x leverage, everything's a pump. Let's be honest. I'm not gonna let that die. I'm just gonna beat that joke down until it's no longer good.
Well, was there a good joke that was just told?
No. Thank you, Face, for clarifying.
I'm just kidding.
Oh no, Jason, you're back down negative 22 again.
Yeah, man. You know, my entry once again, perfect resistance.
It happens. It happens quick when you're 100x.
When you're 100x, man, yeah.
It definitely does.
You know, I thought that little golden pocket, you know, then I thought the 786, and I thought the next golden pocket, then the next 786. That's actually how I took $1 million and lost it all in the last bull run. Bought the top and just figured, you know, 50K has to hold, 40K has to hold.
Just followed all the golden pockets down.
Yeah, 30K has to hold, you know.
Just all the way down.
And I thought 20K had to hold, you know what I'm saying?
Then 15. Okay, 15 held. All right, sweet.
Man, I should have shorted and then longed, you know.
You should have went with the schlong, dude.
Should have went with the schlong.
Evan, are you in a trade right now?
Similar trade to Jason. Went long on Ethereum, trying to trade the the reverse head and shoulders forming here. Not doing we're back. We're fighting back here a little bit. I don't know. We're probably going to run out of time, but I think you would likely be able to break upward and hit kind of this target around close to 1900 again. When could that happen though? Here's kind of the issue. If we had an extra 10 minutes, we might be able to just get there.
Yeah, those 10 minutes would add a lot, you know?
Yeah, because this stuff usually does play out pretty well. And then if you look at the, where was it? I think the trigger wave on the 5 minute. So that's going to take maybe 5 or 10 minutes to play out as well. So actually, I vote extra 10 minutes. I vote extra 10 minutes here.
We got it.
You guys can go ahead and trade for an extra 10 minutes. I love you guys. I am going to bounce out. Face, good job today. Gentlemen, everybody else, good job. I think everybody, well, Evan, you can't win them all, bro. So, if you don't end up in the green today, you've done a great job. So thank you, gentlemen.
Day potentially, but if we win this trade, I might be back at break even or slightly in the green. So,
right. Well, shoot me a text. Let me know if that ends up happening. Crusader, I'm gonna let you take the reins from here. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.
See you later, alligator. All right. Now the team schemers are going.
I'm locking in another quarter, 25% here, I think, just because we're going to run out of time at some point.
Okay,
Just-
we got
just
15 minutes left. We got the
Yeah.
5 minutes and 10 more that we're adding.
We're
Yeah.
pumping, baby. We're going straight to 100K. We are in the green, up $34 USD.
Oh, there we go.
Girl.
buddy.
Cutting it down to the wire, but dude, even with 5 minutes to spare, we're finally in the green.
I'm gonna bounce out of here too. I got to get to the bank before traffic starts. And yeah, man, good job, everybody.
All right, good seeing your face. Take it easy. man.
CryptoFace.
Yes, sir.
See you
All
on
right.
Thursday.
Peace.
All right.
All right. Well,
$2.
it looks like we're all long, right? Except Gareth.
Yeah,
Gareth, right?
I'm still in this short, so I'm balancing you
Okay.
guys out.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
No problem.
How's that trade going, Gareth?
I'm out of the money now, $12. So it pushed up with the whole crypto market here and got me out of the money just by a fraction.
Oh, you should have been watching the 5 second, man.
I know.
Okay.
All right. $37 in the profit, baby.
Let's go. It's pumping.
We only need,
Doing all that.
a few minutes here. What do we need? We need another 0.28%. And
To what? To beat Ben's trade?
to beat Ben's trade and to make a juicy profit on the full account here.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we're gonna
Let's
beat
do
Ben,
that.
and we're gonna make a juicy profit. We're gonna take my wife to McDonald's after.
That's right. Shane says Team Keeper ran away. That's right. Team Keeper's afraid of Team Crusader. They know they can't handle the heat.
There's the WAP and take profit too. So
Let me see. Where's your screen at?
all the screens.
Oh man, that was a big move.
going.
It's moving. It's
Yeah.
moving.
Let's go, baby. Come on. We're up $77 in the green, baby.
Let's go. Jason.
Hopefully that VWAP doesn't get in our way, you know? I'm just going to
Yeah.
pretend it's not there. I don't see it on my screen, so it's not there.
Well, I think your Wyckoff schematic outweighs the VWAP in this instance. You know,
I think you're right. See, I knew the whales were accumulating down here, you know? Got to buy the fear, baby. We're $76 in the green.
Let's go, man. I mean, I really did think you were gonna go red today, man. But you turned it around the last minute. Got
Yeah,
2 minutes left for 4 o'clock, and then we got an extra 10 minutes that we're adding to the show. So, guys, smash those likes if you haven't smashed those likes already. If you guys think that Jayson can break Ben's trade and make more than $100 on this trade, drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 2 if you don't think he can.
I'm up $100 in profit right now.
Whoa,
101.
let's get it.
Yeah, make sure we got to screenshot this in case it goes back into the
Oh.
there we go, baby, $100, and we're coming up to the VWAP. So
Yeah, make sure you take a screenshot and send it to Ben
yeah, that's right. We better do
on
that.
Twitter. Hashtag Trading Wars. Let's get it. Let's get it. Evan, you in that trade as well?
Similar trade. I went long on ETH, so just
That's
kind of
right.
waiting to see. Hopefully, we could make back some of the money I lost on overall today. Definitely not a good day overall, but that's kind of how it is. A little bit, just too trigger happy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You can't be profitable every single time, but just hoping to get a little jump up here. We're still looking like we might be able to pull it off. Very slow market. Maybe this trigger wave forming on the maybe a slow wave forming on the 30-second will give us what we need. 15-second looking a little not as good, but you got the trigger wave on the 6 minute. So hopefully we could break above this fib level right here. We may have a shot at it, but yeah. Tough day, obviously, but it's all right.
Hey man, it happens. Did Keeper jump back on the show? What's this guy doing? Must have dialed himself into here. Get out of here. No more team schemers. How's that trade going, Jayson? Still pumping? Green went black. I think we lost Jayson.
Yeah.
Can you guys see Jayson? He's like frozen.
Yeah, he's frozen there.
Yeah.
That's what happened. See, team schemers. Keeper secretly jumped in and disconnected him. He was making too much money. It was going to beat Ben. Telling you, man. Hopefully, he can jump back in. Just refresh. How's that trade going, Magic? You still in it? Oh, Lord.
Yep, we're still in it. Contemplating a close on it just based on some of the reaction here in time, but at the same time, we've come this far. Might as well let it ride.
Okay. But you've locked in profit, so you're good.
Yeah. No matter what, this one will be a winner. Even if I mark it out or get stopped out, it'll be fine.
Nice.
So
you're up 69x, man. That's a big trade.
No, got us to as of right now, depending on where this trade closes, we'll be at 1107 for the competition, give or take. So not bad.
Nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Like to see that you've been growing in the risk management.
I've been I'm a bland trader when it comes to
deregulating yourself.
My risk is pretty important to me.
That's the whole purpose of the competition. Make you uncomfortable, make you do things you're not supposed to do. How's it going, Jayson? You're back. Everything good?
I'm back. I don't know what happened to the internet, but something I don't know. Maybe it was the CIA trying to mess with my trade here, because as you can see, we're down to $50 in profit.
Have you locked in any profit at all?
No profit at all. I'm really trying to hit those limit orders I have to try and beat Ben, and also just make a juicy profit.
We are officially in overtime. We got 8 minutes left. I might be able to squeeze in a few extra minutes for you, but we are officially in overtime right now.
Yeah.
Want to quickly hit the sponsors one last time here for the show. So massive shout out to Market Cypher. Obviously, we had CryptoFace on just a little moments ago. Shout out to Market Cypher. 20% off for Market Cypher. Link is in the description right now. Code is down there. Trading Wars, I believe it is. Trading Wars 20. You get 20% off. Go check them out. Obviously, some of the best traders here. I've been using Market Cypher and has been be very profitable. Shout out to ZoomX for being the platform that allowed us to make this show possible. Massive shout out to them. If you guys want to join the competition for season 2, hit that link that's pinned in the chat. Make sure you sign up and get ready for season 2. And last but not least, Houdini Swap, the leading regulated compliancy for privacy for trading, swapping, bridging currencies. Go check them out. If you care even a moment of shred of your life in privacy, you're using VPNs, you're doing anything to protect yourself, make sure you are also covering your tracks when it comes to having privacy in crypto. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because it is your right. It is your right to have privacy. There's no reason anybody needs to know what you're doing with your own money. So make sure you check out Houdini Swap. Let's see. Jayson. Still going for it, huh?
Still going for it, up $54 in the green. Let's see. This is, I guess, down to the wire right now.
That's right. Gareth, how about you? Are you still in that trade, or do you?
Yeah, I'm flat on the trade now. I was just in the money. Now I'm in the money again. I'm gonna probably just close it out here as we're just coming to the end of this here, and I'll just take with fees probably about a flat out.
Okay.
I say I closed mine out. I marketed out a little bit ago.
Okay, nice.
I'm running a 1 hour range on this, and you deviated the high of it and came back into it. So I figured it's gonna come back down a little bit. So I just
that's not too good for Cap.
I mean, it's a 1 hour range. It's not very reliable, but
Yeah, I don't like that. I
don't like hearing that.
I don't like the way things are looking either. I could close it out right now and at a complete break even, to make back the fee, basically. But
well, you got 6 minutes. You got 6 minutes. See where it goes.
I'm just gonna let it rock, man. It is what it is.
Evan, you still in that ETH?
So I got stopped out of that, my ETH one, but I did this one last kamikaze here to try to make back a couple bucks, and we're gonna let this ride. It's a Bitcoin short off of this. Was actually a really nice level. I shorted right here off of this VWAP, So
so
you have a little bit of fun. So we can make $100 back on the day and only lose like $50 on the day. So
all right, I just exited that. I actually ended up making a $13 and change profit here. If I scroll down, let's see there, right there. So 13.38 on the trade there. So
let's get it.
Better than nothing, I'll tell you guys.
That's right, baby. That's right. Patience. You see how patience does there? Boom, and that money.
I'm actually gonna bounce. I gotta get to a little bit of work before I head home. But you guys were awesome. Appreciate it, and I look forward to trading again with all you guys.
100%.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Take care, guys.
See you.
Well, looks like this. All my hopes and dreams have come crashing down, guys. So we might as well.
We're pumping, Jason. We're pumping a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah, I probably should be taking. I should probably limit out of this and just take. Yeah, I'll take my loss on the day.
You're in the money right now, Evan, right?
I'm in the $30 in profit, but I'm still negative on the day in this trade. So yeah, we got like 3 minutes here.
Profit, man.
Yeah, just trying to get out of this.
We got 4 minutes left.
Trying to just limit out of this.
Jason went from $100 in profit down to $5. But who knows? Things can change in the next 4 minutes. We can go back up $100.
Or you go down, hopefully, for my sake.
You guys keep counter trading each other.
We are on the same
team. Well, no,
right?
it's different. We're technically not, because we have different like stop losses and take profits. So it's not like
if you're shorting Bitcoin, he's longing Bitcoin. If your target hits, he's losing.
But yeah, I'm just trying to limit out of this and just finish up.
Guys, smash those likes. We got 323 people in here. Let's see how many likes we got. We've got 285 likes. Come on, we can get to that 300 likes. Let's get it. Uh-oh. Jason's in the negative.
I'm in the negative. Oh, dang. All right. Okay. Yeah, looks like my hopes and dreams are not going to play out on this one, guys.
Hey, man, I give you credit for taking the chance of going 100x and trying to make it happen. And you almost did. You were literally up $100.
Yeah, I should have closed it out, right?
We got it on tape. You were up.
But what's the point of closing it out if I'm not going to beat Ben's trade?
That's right.
You know,
that's why I respect it, because you said I'm still going to keep it going.
I got to get rich or get liquidated trying.
That's a good one, Jay.
Oh,
I like that.
I have to say that's my brother. He does bodybuilding, and he always says, "Get bigger, die trying." I'm like, all right, there we go.
Well, I mean, you know, we don't have to stick around the extra 2 minutes here. I think it's a lost cause, y'all. So.
Yeah, man, I just want to say, as we're closing out the show here, greatly appreciate you guys. You guys have done a fantastic job in this first season. I know the rules and things have been wonky. We're learning as the show goes, and we're going to be making it better. Hopefully, some of you guys come back for season 2 or later season 3, 4, and so forth. And we see you guys again. And eventually, what I want to do is regather season 1's full team and have a championship kind of season going on, where we get another champion team against you guys, if you guys are the champion team, which I believe so. I don't think there's any way Team Keeper is going to come back on Thursday and win. So hopefully, you guys come back for later seasons. The show's been great. I appreciate every single one of you guys for making the commitment to come on the show once a week for the last 4 weeks. And you guys have done a fantastic job. Terrible conditions for trading, and you got zero excuses, zero complaints, unlike Team Keeper that has been complaining all 4 weeks. Oh my Lord. They're definitely something to deal with for sure. So I appreciate you guys for always coming on the show, and hopefully see you guys in future seasons.
Sounds good. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having all of us.
Appreciate it. It was a lot of fun. Just limited out of that. So down on the day, but oh well. That's okay. But
it's okay, man. You've been killing it on those 1v1s.
Yeah, so still going to be able to withdraw $100 profit overall from this. So 10%. there. So I could buy a nice, breakfast maybe.
Hey man, that's right. That's right. $100 is $100. I mean, look at the prices out there in real life. So guys, like always, just want to quickly say, question everything, trust nothing, and until next time, hodl like a top. See you guys.
See ya.